If you're looking for a way to boost your immune system, celery juice is an amazing option. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals that can strengthen your body from the inside out. Here are 5 benefits of celery juice. 5 benefits of celery juice. 1. Boosts energy. Celery juice is a natural source of high-quality, organic celery. The celery in celery juice produces the amino acid L-arginine, which boosts energy levels and can also be used to help with insomnia. 2. Helps you lose weight. Celery juice is a fat-burning, appetite-suppressing wonder drink. It provides many of the same benefits as celery root extract in that it can help you lose weight and regulate your blood sugar levels. 3. Reduces pain. Celery juice is a natural pain reliever, and celery contains the amino acid L-glutamic, which helps to reduce muscle aches, joint pains, menstrual cramps and other kinds of discomfort. 4. Strengthens bones. Celery juice is a natural source of calcium, and celery contains high levels of vitamin K, which helps to strengthen bones. It's also rich in magnesium, potassium and manganese, so it can help with bone growth too. 5. Boosts immune system. Celery juice is one of the most alkaline drinks you can find, and celery contains high levels of vitamin C, which helps to boost your immune system. It's also a great source for antioxidants, so it'll help improve your skin, nails, hair and overall health. In conclusion, celery juice is a great way to improve your health and boost the immune system. It's full of vitamins, minerals and electrolytes that can help you feel better on the inside.